It seemed that the Israel-Hamas conflict would affect the supply of weapons to Ukraine. But no, the war machines continue on the way to the Eastern European battlefield. The British government has just announced the transfer of the Terrahawk Paladin air defense system to Ukraine in an effort to strengthen the country's air defense capabilities against drone threats. Currently, Terrahawk Paladin, a short-range air defense system manufactured by MSI Defense Systems, is responsible for tracking and destroying drones, as well as protecting important national infrastructure. According to Army recognition, the British government has approved a new military assistance package for Ukraine worth more than £100 million, including the supply of MSID's Terrahawk Paladin short-range air defense system. This will be a valuable asset for Ukraine to deal with the threat from Russian UAVs. The package aims to support Ukraine's counter-offensive efforts, focusing on minefield clearance, vehicle maintenance, and fortifying defensive infrastructure. The first public appearance of the Terrahawk Paladin dates September 2022. The upgraded version was revealed in September 2023. It integrates an anti-drone technology that has already become a standard, an automatic gun combined with a digital fire control system and an all-weather radar. Terrahawk Paladin is implemented as either a stationary system or a mobile one carried on a truck. It can function as a standalone unit for point defense or seamlessly integrate into a broader network under a command management system. This adaptability allows for comprehensive area defense capabilities, making it a useful asset for coastal and border protection. The system is equipped with a 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster 2 automatic cannon, which can deploy ammunition with proximity fuse. The range of interception is approximately up to 2 km with programmable airburst ammunition. The accuracy of fire is secured by Shadow Signing System or SATOS of MIS own making. It is equipped with a thermal sensor and a laser range finder. The fire control system supports automatic target following. The radar component is represented by 4 stations with EASA antennas, providing for simultaneous on-route surveillance. Terrahawk Paladin is operated via 2 remote controllers. The company's photos suggest that it can be operated by a crew of 2. One is watching over the targets, the other destroys them. Side note, Ukrainian soldiers operating a similar Shahed self-propelled anti-aircraft system pointed out that the gunner's job is literally only to pull the trigger, while the aiming and ballistic calculations are all done by a computer. There is an option of connecting to other air defense weapons, for example, APKWS semi-active laser-guided rockets. All these capabilities and utilities make the MSD's Terrahawk Paladin an effective and, no less importantly, cost-efficient solution against such threats as Iranian-made Shahed loitering munitions. The Russians launch these cheap explosive UAVs at Ukrainian critical infrastructure and residential areas on a regular basis. Fundamentally, the Terrahawk Paladin is designed for close-range air defense with a focus on mobility, modularity, and remote control capabilities. Its design allows for rapid repositioning of radar, sensors, and effectors, enabling swift deployment where needed with minimal delay. The Terrahawk Paladin systems incorporate offset remote control options for operator survivability, whether through hardwire connections or line-of-sight communication, along with established effectors, sensing, and detection capabilities. MSI Defense Systems is a pioneer in the development of remotely operated guns. Their guns are currently in active use on surface ships around the world, providing reliable protection against surface and air threats.